Can I be real with you? The reason most people stay stuck isn't because they're not smart, talented, or hardworking. It's because they're living in denial. Life has harsh truths that nobody wants to face, but the people who do become unstoppable. In this video, I'll share 5 harsh truths about life that, once you accept them, will set you free and put you ahead of 97% of people. Truth number 1: no one is coming to save you. We grow up believing someone will rescue us, a mentor, a boss, a partner, even luck. But here's the truth: no one is coming to save you. The sooner you stop waiting for someone else and take full responsibility for your life, the faster you'll change it. Radical ownership is your superpower. Truth number 2: time is your most valuable asset. Money can be lost and earned back. Opportunities can come and go. But time? Once it's gone forever. Most people act like they have unlimited time. They waste years waiting for the right moment. Winners act now because the clock never stops. Truth number 3: comfort is the enemy of growth. We think comfort equals happiness, but comfort zones are silent traps. They keep you safe, but they also keep you stuck. Growth feels uncomfortable at first, but every great transformation begins outside the comfort zone. Pain today becomes power tomorrow. Truth number 4: not everyone will support you. One of the hardest truths: not everyone will clap for you. Friends, family, even people you love may not understand your path, and that's okay. Their approval isn't required for your destiny. The moment you stop chasing validation, you set yourself free. Truth number 5: you will die sooner than you think. The harshest truth of all: you are running out of time. We live like we're immortal, scrolling, waiting, planning someday. But someday is not guaranteed. Remembering death isn't depressing, it's liberating. It reminds you to live fully today, not tomorrow. These truths may sting, but they are also the keys to freedom. The question is, will you face them or keep hiding behind illusions? Accept them, and your life will change forever. If this message resonated with you, comment below which truth hit you the hardest, and don't forget to subscribe to The Growth Theory for more life-changing insights.